Here's the fastest way to add headers and footers in Word with the exact menu path and one useful shortcut. We'll insert a header, add a footer, and show where to change options like different first page. Step 1. Open the Insert tab. At the top ribbon, click Insert. That's where Word keeps header, footer, and page number commands. Use Insert, then Header and Footer, then choose Header. Step 2. Pick a built-in style. Click Header, then pick a built-in style. Word drops you into the header area so you can type or insert fields. For speed, press Alt-N-H to open the header gallery. Pro tip: double-click near the top margin for headers or the bottom margin for footers to edit faster. Since you're already writing in Word, GenText handles the citation and bibliography side while you format the document. If you're writing a paper, GenText handles citations and bibliography inside Word.